Hello again. Today I'm going to the magnificent ruined castle in Heidelberg.
In Heidelberg, we will be about 1.5 hours on the road, approximately.
Now we are entering the castle. The view from the castle was very beautiful.
And now it's empty here.
Heidelberg Castle is a ruined castle in Germany and landmarks of the Heidelberg. A lot of wars happened here. That's why the castle is ruined and the restoration still made up until now. But the beauty of the ruined castle still can see even today. Heidelberg was first mentioned in 1196 as a Heidelberg. If you are standing on the castle, you can see the magnificent city of the Heidelberg. Most of the foreign visitors come either from USA or Japan. The most important attraction, according to the survey by the Geographical Institute of the University of Heidelberg, is the castle with its observation terrace. In 2021, because of the coronavirus is spread the word, so when you are going to enter the castle, you have to show that you are vaccinated already. I'm not sure if this water can be drunk or not. You know what? The famous of the tennis player is came from Heidelberg. It's Steffi Graf and Boris Becker. Now you see the beautiful view from the side of the castle. In a couple minutes, I will go to hike to the upper side of the hill. Okay, now it's time to hike to the opposite hill of the castle. All the way down from the castle, we have to follow the stairway to heaven because the stair was really steep. We are in the down part between two hills, one hill of the castle and the other hill that we're going to. In the middle between two hills, there is a river. It's a beautiful river. start to hike. It's a small forest. Here we come, we can see the castle from another side of the hills. Hope you enjoy the Heidelberg and we'll see you when I see you. Cheers!